Okay, so after a bit of time, after a little bit of help, I was able to get all the tabs out of him. So let's see if I can actually get the big man himself out of here. Push the head, no. Ugh. Okay, this is again gonna take some time for him to get out of the box because I think I have to make him do a crunch. Maybe, I don't know, hold up. Okay, push that. Okay. Okay, yep. So here's the figure itself. Let me make sure this packaging is fine. Yep. Okay, so now we can put this safely aside. Here and here. So now we can move this aside, and yeah, here we have Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. So as we see, like, the sculpting on this figure is phenomenal. Like, you can see everything, chest, all the bones and stuff, his mask. And if we open this, you can see his default unmasked face, if I can get a good shot. Yeah. So he is very, very, like, sculpted and detailed very well. Here we have his chain that was cut off. Now the articulation on this guy, as it shows, a ball joint on the head. Every ball joint can do a swivel, side to side, up and down, forward to back, and everything that a ball joint on the head can do. His arms can move that far much, and his arms can move, might do a 360, can spread out that much, has double elbow bend, bicep swivel, okay, and has wrist rotation, I believe. Yeah, can swivel and can bend forward and back. So that's on one side, and on the other, same thing. Loosen everything up so that way he'll be easy to get him into poses with. Okay, yeah. Very articulate. Then he can move his chest down that much and chest back much. Okay, has a bit of chest ab rotation. Like, this leather jacket is fully rubber, by the way. Then his legs can move that forward and cannot move that much back. Here we have the back, the spine detail. Oh, that's so good. Can move that far. His knee can bend that far, and I think he does have, what you say, a bit of foot rotation. Yeah, he has some foot. I believe, yeah, there's a ball joint on this foot. You see with his boots. So you can get into some amazing poses. I don't have a stand for him yet, so right now he's just gonna have to stand there menacingly. So let's put the mask back on him real quick, if I can. Yep, there we go. So there's that. Now the chain is removable technically, since you can pop the head off for exchange of this. So let's first remove the hand. So we can remove this hand, which is his right. Then we can take this and peg it in. Hold up. Yep, pegged in. So now he has his grabbing hand. Let's take his machete here, see if I can put it in. Okay. Might take some time, but hold up. to force his hand out open a bit. I think you need to, like dip it into some like water to heat it up, so that way it can expand, so that way you can put it in better. But there's a gripping hand over there. See if I can at least make him hold his butcher knife. Maybe, please. Okay, I do need to heat his hands up though, for him to be able to hold all of the accessories. At least I think I can get him in a Okay, I think I can get him in a sickle. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna need to maybe heat it up, so that way in like warm water, so that way it can expand more easily without breaking it. So that way, yeah, got it in. So he can look all menacing, like. See if I can get him into a good pose. Yeah. Believe there might be ankle rotation. Yeah, there's ankle rotation as well, which is amazing, by the way. I don't have a proper stand yet, so he might tip down, but that's I guess, so good-looking shot. So yeah, we have that. And that's basically almost everything that comes included with this Jason. So we can remove the sickle. See if I can try to, remove his head. Okay, hold up. Let me first put him into default. Okay. He's now in default. Let's plop his head off. Might be a bit difficult, but because like there's a, yeah, okay. The chain is in there, which is a bit, it's a bit frustrating. I think I can't right now, but maybe later in some, well, I spoke too soon, and I did actually get it out. Nice. So as we see here, here we have his decapitated head. Here is the chain that comes with him from the bottom of the lake. So we're going to put that chain back on. And then we can take this head sculpt and plonk it in there. Hold up. I think I got it in. Yeah, I think so. I got it in. So that way we have this. Let me remove this hand. Put this on. And then we can maybe get him into like spooky one. Yeah. See if I can get that in. Ah. So yeah, that's that you can add on, and if not, you can also just remove this broken mask piece to just reveal his regular head sculpt, the screaming head sculpt, which again, like I said, is very phenomenal and cool. I don't have a figure stand yet to actually plop him up straight, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep him like that. But that's basically it for Jason Voorhees, as we see. Maybe I can also get a good look at his regular head. So you can see zombie Jason, few slashes and battle damage from the other movies. Inside, and everything in with that. The bushwhack itself, and all his other accessories and stuff like that. So that's basically the Friday the 13th Part 7 New Blood Jason, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jason. Rest in peace, I guess.